Breaking the Build, Unraveling Tech Jargon for English Learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase often heard in the world of software development: breaking the build. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also the context and usage of this interesting expression. Let's dive in. Breaking the build is a phrase commonly used in software development. To understand it, we need to break down the phrase into two parts: breaking and the build. Breaking, in this context, means causing something to stop working or to fail. The build refers to the process of converting computer code into a runnable software program. So, breaking the build means doing something that causes this process to fail or stop working correctly. Breaking the build usually happens when a developer makes a change to the code that introduces errors or conflicts. This can be adding new code that contains errors, changing existing code in a way that creates bugs, deleting necessary code by mistake. When these changes are integrated into the shared code base, the automated process that compiles the code into a runnable program, known as the build process, fails. Breaking the build can have significant consequences in a software development environment. It stops other developers from being able to work effectively. It can lead to delays in the development process. It highlights the importance of testing and checking code before integration. To avoid breaking the build, developers often use code reviews where peers check each other's work, write and run automated tests to catch errors before integration, work in smaller increments to reduce the risk of major errors. If the build is broken, it's usually fixed by identifying the problematic code through error logs, reverting the changes or fixing the errors, rerunning the build process to ensure it works. Breaking the build is a phrase that encapsulates a common challenge in software development. Understanding this phrase not only helps in grasping technical jargon but also offers insight into the collaborative and meticulous nature of creating software. We hope this explanation has been helpful, and as always, happy learning. See you in our next video.